Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2006 Honda Shadow Aero 750. This is the classic style cruiser with the long flowing fenders, two-tone paint scheme, black and orange for you San Francisco Giants fans. You've got the engine guards, quick release batwing fairing, luggage, V-twin liquid cooled shaft drive. This bike has 23,900 miles, runs perfect. Come on by, make your lightweight, low seat cruiser dreams come true with this gorgeous 2006 Shadow Aero, only $36.99. This will not be here long. We have financing available. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.